Assalamualaikum students, I am your teacher Miss Maria and students. Welcome back to your English class. In this video is for class 5 and today we are again going to do textbook work. And take out your textbooks and open your page number 76 and mention date on your page. Today is 28/8/2020 and it is Friday. We are going to learn about words related to sports. Okay. As in our previous lessons, we have learned about the words that describe people. Now today we are going to do the words that are related to sports. Words those describe the personalities of the people, and in this lesson we are going to learn about those words which tell us that these words are truly related to the sports and they are only made for the sports type of thing. A good sports writer uses the language of sports to engage the reader's interest in the topic. When we are going to do when a writer want to write anything about the sports, okay, as he is writing the report on baseball, so he is going to use all the words that are interlinked or they are related to sports, okay. सो जो एक अच्छा स्पोर्ट्स राइटर होता है ही ऑलवेज और ही मोस्टली यूज्ड दोज लैंग्वेज, ठीक है, विच इज़ द लैंग्वेज ऑफ द स्पोर्ट विच एंगेज द रीडर्स और create the interest of the reader in the topic, that it persuade or it just took attention of the readers to read that topic interestingly, ठीक है, with more interest. Study the paragraph and take note of the highlighted words. These are the highlighted words who are in red color. So we are just going to read this paragraph and then you have to focus on the red words, okay, that these are the sports related words. Football is an exciting team sport played all over the world, attracting thousands of participants and spectators annually. Team sport, participants, spectators. It is a national sport in most European and Latin American countries. National sport. A popular name for football is soccer. Every 4 years, the World Cup is held. This is the most famous international competition in cricket. So these are the words who are directly related to the sports. Look at more examples below. Bowling or bowling, on the fly, exchanges, overarm, bails, inning, century, retire. All these words are related to the sports. What sport are these terms associated with? Are any of these terms associated with with more than one sport? Of course, innings, century, ठीक है, and bowling and inning, they can be they can be used in one sport, ठीक है. Then write the meaning of each word above as used in relation to the sport. Use a dictionary to help you. Then write a short paragraph using some of these words. We will do it later, but now we are going to do the activity book work. Now take out your activity books and open your page number 59. As you know that we have learned the lesson baseball in our previous lectures. Today we are going to do the exercise of this baseball. Read the passage on pages 67 to 71. We have already read it of your textbook, and then answer the following questions. Number 1, why is baseball regarded as a favorite pastime in the United States? क्यों ये यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स में एक फेवरेट पास टाइम के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है बेसबॉल को, ठीक है. यहाँ पे आप चाहें तो बिकॉज भी लिख लें, और इफ़ यू डोंट वांट टू राइट बिकॉज यू कैन स्किप इट. सो द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज इट इज़ रिगार्डेड एज फेवरेट स्पोर्ट बिकॉज it is the oldest and popular spectator game. Do not write because over here. Why? Because we already used the because in the sentence, ठीक है. So the answer is it is regarded as favorite sport because it is the oldest and popular spectator game. Question number 2, explain what you understand by medal sport in the Olympic Games. What are the medal sports? ठीक है, what it means to win the medal in Olympic Games and take part in it. Number 3, list 3 essential pieces of equipment for a baseball game. Number 1, leather gloves. Number 2, chest protector. Number 3, shin guards. SHIN, shin guards, GUARDS guards. ठीक है. Okay जी. Number 4, why is there a need for the catcher to wear a face mask? So the catcher need to wear face mask or a mask to save his face with the dirt of ball. With the dirt of ball का ये मतलब नहीं है कि वो जो बॉल का धुआं, वो जो डस्ट होती है वो उससे बचाने के लिए. नो, द dirt of ball means कि उसको बॉल की चोट, बॉल से चोट ना लगे. That's why he have to wear the face mask. ठीक है. Number 5, why are rules important in a game? Rules are important to maintain discipline in the game to make it fair. If we want to play a fair game, so we must have to follow the rules and we must have to make the rules for the games. Move to the next page. Page number 60. Question number 6. What is the reason for the batter to hit the ball as far as possible? The reason is to make more scores. ठीक है. If you want to write S over here, you can write score or scores, both are correct. ठीक है. Number 7, good fielders are also good at throwing balls to put out runners. Lines 90 to 93. Explain what you understand by put out runners. It means to stop runner make runs. Or you can write it as it means to stop runner from making more runs. ठीक है. And this is your homework. So what you have to do in this you have to find out that at the beginning of the game or of the baseball, where the pitcher will stand and where the batter will stand. And if, for example, here the pitcher will stand, so you will write P, and if you think a batter will stand here, so you will write B. Okay, so it depends on you or on the rule of the game, that at the start of the game pitcher will stand here or here or here. This is your task. Okay, if you are not able to do this, then let me know in the comments. I will in my next lecture I will do a video on it. Okay, short video on it. Okay, so as you know that today we have learned about the words related to sports. Exercise 4C, page number 63. In your daily newspaper, you will find articles each with a headline followed by write-up. The headline sums up what the article is about. Whenever you read the newspaper, there you find a short heading that what this passage or the thing which you are going to read is about. Okay. Now in exercise A, read the brief write-ups below, then give each write-up a headline. An example has been done for you. For example, this is a write-up for the Beijing for the 2008 Olympics. Okay. The first one they have give the heading by themselves. Now for the next write-ups we have to build the headings for every write-up. The first one was the 2008 Olympic Games will be staged in Beijing. The selection of the venue brings much pride to the host country. However, much preparation will have to be done before the games begin. Next write-up is this year's Wimbledon came as a surprise. American Patti Sampras, a favorite in this famous tennis tournament, was unexpectedly knocked out and failed to reach the men's singles. So the heading for this write-up will be Wimbledon tennis tournament. Okay. Next one is the school's sports season is now in full swing, and students all over the country are stepping into the sporting arenas instead of their classrooms. Zoom competitions for the preliminary or preliminary rounds have kicked off. They include football, badminton, basketball, netball, and volleyball. So the heading for this will be schools sports season or the sports season. Okay, both will be correct. Move to the next page. While her friends are back in the classrooms, national swimmer Bernadette Lee plunges into full-time training for the Olympic Games. She has completed her O-levels and has decided to take 1 year off from school as she does not want to compromise her performance. So it will be, the heading for this will be national swimmer Bernadette Lee. Okay. The spellings for this word are here. Bernadette Lee. Okay, Bernadette Lee. Okay जी, exercise B. Refer to the words in the bold in each of the write-ups above. In the table below, write your guess at the meaning of each word as it appears in the passage and then look up the meanings in your dictionary. Word: staged, venue, favorite, tournament. First my guess and then the actual meanings of the words. Okay, so first one is staged, that means start, but when I look the meaning in the dictionary, it means that organized. ORGANIZED, organized. Then venue, place, or its correct meaning is also a place. Okay, then favorite, if I don't know the meaning of the favorite, then my guess will be the champion or some other word. Okay, so favorite means most liked. Then tournament for if I don't know the meaning of the tournament, I write it as event, but when I found the meaning of tournament in dictionary, it means that series of game. Then knocked out of match, but actual meaning is strike. Singles, single player, or actual meaning is ones. Full swing, on peak, or actual meaning is change in full speed. Sporting arenas, sports ground, or sporting areas. Preliminary rounds, warm-up rounds, or early rounds. Kicked off, out of games, and the actual meaning is also out of the game. Plunges, arrange or place to swim. Compromise, give up, and actual meaning is settlement. So students, this is it for today's class. I hope it is clear to you. If it is not, then let me know in the comment section about your queries. I will try my level best to overcome your problem or to tell you everything more clearly. Okay, I will meet you in the next lecture. Till that, stay safe, stay at your homes. Allah Hafiz students.